Welcome to the top picks. The best slime tub is probably one of the most versatile and entertaining toys available today, offering endless hours of sensory play and creative exploration for kids and adults alike. Whether you're looking for a fun way to de-stress, a unique party activity, or a creative outlet for artistic expression, a high-quality slime tub can provide a fantastic experience. With a wide variety of colors, textures, and add-ins, these tubs transform simple slime into a captivating world of tactile wonder, making them a must-have for any toy collection. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful formula tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. Perfect for your kitchen and bathroom, it leaves surfaces like tiles, glass, and sinks brilliantly clean. Don't let baked-on food or soap scum get you down. This paste makes cleaning your oven and shower a breeze. Restore the gleam to your stainless steel appliances and fixtures. It removes unsightly marks and smudges. Its unique formulation is designed to cut through the toughest messes. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and stains. Get a generous 500G of this versatile cleaner. It's the one-stop solution for a spotless home. What we like. This powerful cleaning paste is your go-to for tackling tough messes. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle grease, grime, and stains on various surfaces, this is the one. It's ideal for busy households needing a reliable solution for kitchen and bathroom upkeep. What people say. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I was astonished at how effortlessly it tackled soap scum, water stains, and dirt buildup that had accumulated over time. The paste gets off rust, hard water spots, stains in the tile, scuff marks, cleans shoe soles and lots of other stuff. It works very well in all of our stainless steel pans, our glass cooktop, and cleaning our kitchen and bathtub. Number 4. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique slimes. This 31-piece kit has everything you need to create custom slimes. You can mix, match, and decorate to make your perfect ice cream-inspired creation. It's not just a slime toy, it's an arts and crafts adventure. This set encourages hands-on learning, decision-making, and sensory-rich play. Experience the satisfying textures as you mix and stretch your creations. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays and special occasions, offering endless fun for kids, teens, and even adults. Everything comes in a reusable container, making it easy to store your supplies and enjoy repeat play sessions. Keep your creations organized and ready for more fun. What we like. Unleash creativity with this delightful DIY ice cream slime kit. If you are looking for a fun, hands-on activity for kids aged 8 to 12, this set offers endless imaginative play. It's perfect for birthdays or any occasion where a creative and sensory-rich experience is desired. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out. It comes with a lot of add-ins like glitter and foam balls. The container is resealable, which is great for storage. Number 3. Original Stationery Sweet Sprinkles Ice Cream Slime Kit. Discover a world of imagination with this delightful slime kit. It's designed for hours of creative fun, allowing you to make your own unique treats. Get ready to craft. This kit provides everything you need to create fluffy, scented slimes that look just like delicious ice cream sundaes, donuts, and cupcakes. Indulge in a sensory delight with our sweet-scented slime. The vibrant colors and fun fragrances mimic real desserts for an enhanced crafting experience. Looking for a special gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays and special occasions, encouraging imaginative play and creativity away from screens. Bond with your loved ones through this engaging DIY craft. It's a fantastic way to promote teamwork and develop hand-eye coordination together. Everything you need is included for a seamless crafting adventure. Just open the box and let the fun begin. What we like. Create adorable dessert-themed slimes with this engaging kit. If you enjoy sensory play and want a fun activity to share with your family, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for kids aged 7 to 12 who love crafting and imaginative, dessert-inspired creations. What people say. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. This kit really encourages creativity. My daughter enjoyed mixing the colors and textures to create her own ice cream slimes, and she loved the tactile nature of the slime making process. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. Number 2. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover the endless possibilities with our soft clay, perfect for creating amazing slime. Its unique texture makes crafting fun and engaging for everyone. Designed for the ultimate butter slime experience, this clay is lightweight and incredibly pliable. It's the ideal addition to your slime making supplies. Transform this white modeling clay into anything you can imagine. It's compatible with activators and glue, offering hours of artistic exploration. Engage your senses with this soft, pliable clay, perfect for cozy indoor crafting. It encourages imaginative play and hands-on learning. Looking for a unique birthday or party gift? This DIY slime kit sparks creativity and provides dynamic crafting sessions, bringing joy to children. Experience the delightful, stretchy, air-dried butter texture that makes crafting so enjoyable. It's a fantastic add-in for any slime project. What we like. Achieve the perfect butter slime texture with this soft clay. If you're looking to elevate your slime making game and create a wonderfully stretchy, pliable feel, this add-in is essential. It's perfect for young artists and crafters seeking a unique sensory experience. What people say. It's a super soft and smooth clay, almost like flower petals clay, but softer that it is moist most times, but it helps you know how long it's going to take to dry. If you're having a hard time with making petals or other more delicate pieces, then you want the clay to be drier. If the clay is getting tough, add lotion. This clay is light and soft and it can make tiny pieces with no sweat, but bigger is always scarier without an inner core, whether it is foam balls, tin foil, or wire, because spoiler alert, I messed up my first big project. This is a great clay. I like fidgeting with it, and it's super soft and pliable. It is very light too, and was lighter than I expected it to be. But, when you use it like actual clay, it does hold its shape, but when it dries it acts like some sort of foam, and stays somewhat squishy, and you're still able to change its shape. Number 1. SLIMYSAND by Horizon Group USA. Introducing SLIMYSAND, a unique play sand that stretches, expands, and molds to your imagination. Get ready for endless creative fun. Dive into a world of tactile delight. Squish, twist, and stretch this amazing sand for a truly satisfying sensory experience. Discover the therapeutic benefits of squeezing and squishing. It's a wonderful way to relieve stress and enhance fine motor skills. Enjoy mess-free play with this non-stick slime sand. It holds its shape perfectly, allowing you to create anything you can dream up. Everything comes in a convenient, reusable bucket, making cleanup and storage a breeze. Take the fun with you anywhere. There's a color for everyone. Collect all the available shades to expand your SLIMYSAND collection and enjoy even more vibrant play. What we like. Experience the unique feel of stretchable, moldable slime sand. If you are seeking a calming sensory activity that also strengthens fine motor skills, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys tactile play and stress relief through squishing and squeezing. What people say. SLIMYSAND is amazing. It has the perfect texture, soft, moldable, and holds shapes really well. Unlike regular sand, it's not messy, and it sticks together without drying out. It's very airy and light. Can you stretch it out, and compact in the container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.